Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Amazon SDE1 hiring mail and the SDE1 hiring process. In the video we will discuss about the update. Both hirings are active. This hiring is for 23-24 batch. If you have a bachelor's degree or above in computer science, you can apply. And software dev engineer hiring is for the 2025 batch. Currently enrolled in a bachelor's or master's degree. Okay. This type of mail is received by candidate, okay, like the Amazon SD1 full-time opportunity for the batch of 23-24 graduate. As a next step for SD1 opportunity, please fill the hiring interest form. Okay, hiring process is online assessment, 3 rounds of technical interview. Each round is eliminatory and offer. So this type of mail is received by candidate. First of all, you have to fill the hiring interest form in which they will ask your details. Okay, after sharing all the details, they will share the update that is related to OA online assessment. Hiring process is online assessment, 3 rounds of technical interview. Each round is eliminatory and offer. Okay, all the 3 rounds, technical 1, technical 2 and technical 3, all the 3 rounds are elimination round. Okay, so you have to clear the first round after moving to the second round. So coding, data structures and algorithm, coding, problem solving. In the online assessment, the coding question will be asked. Coding, logical and maintainable, leadership principle. This is the technical competency in which your test will be there. What is the compensation? The compensation is 19,17,000 rupees for the base pay. Sign in bonus 1 year 6,47,000 rupees. Sign in bonus year to 5,18,000 and restricted stock unit RSUs 4 years 15,56,000. Also more than like we can expect that the 40 LPA plus package are there for this opportunity. It is one of the good hiring guys, so you can understand that like it is a very big opportunity. So you have to clear the opportunity. For that they clearly mention online assessment will be begin by 7th May and must be completed by 11th May. Candidate who clear the online assessment will be invited for interview starting May 14 in batches. Okay, they already mentioned that in the form of batches. Batches means different dates. On the different dates your interview will be scheduled. What about the Amazon hiring process? So first of all, you will receive also this type of mail, Amazon software development engineer full-time opportunity, this type. Next step, Amazon online assessment SDE1. Thank you for applying for SDE position at Amazon. As a next step for SDE1, we have sent the online assessment link on your email ID. Please know online assessment is system generated, powered by HackerRank. Request you to check your email and spam folder. You have to complete the online assessment by 5/4/10 p.m. It is a limited opening. Clearly they mention thanks and regards Amazon University Talent Acquisition. Okay, so you have to complete the online assessment as soon as possible. Let's discuss about the experience of selected candidates that I already like discussed in the previous video, but now the mail is coming, that's why I make the video again. Okay, so application process, I applied through Amazon careers portal for the software development role. I received the online assessment on November 21 with a deadline of 5 days to complete. The online assessment consists of 3 parts. First is DSA problem. Okay, the first is DSA problem, one easy and one medium problem. I finished both in 20 minutes. So I already mentioned in my previous video that they will ask the coding question. Okay, you have to prepare for the coding question. They clearly mention that in the online assessment the coding question will be there. Depends on them whether they will ask the 2 coding question, 3 coding question. You have to complete in the given time. After that, work simulation round is there. This had 5 to 6 module where I was bombarded with email and had to select appropriate response. It also included real world problem solving like debugging an issue where a product page was not loading. This round was mainly designed to assess my decision making and leadership principle. Here they mention clearly leadership principle question will be asked. Okay, so this type of question will be that. Behavioral question, multiple choice format where I had to pick the most likely and least likely response to different workplace scenario. Workplace related question is also asked. Okay, like behavioral related question. So in the online assessment 3 parts are there. First is coding, second is leadership principle, okay, and third is behavioral part most probably. And in the Amazon SD1 test mail, they clearly mention the guide to prepare for the software development opportunity. So definitely you have to check the guide, okay, that is very important. I felt the OA went well, and November 15, 25 I received an email asking me to fill a survey to be considered for next stage. Let's discuss about the interview round. Round 1 is on December 2. This was DSA round with a very senior engineer as the interviewer. I was asked only one question on graph where I had to code everything from input handling to output printing. The choice of data structure was important. The problem was currency converter. This is the link of problem. This round well, and I was invited to the next round. As I already said, all the rounds are elimination, okay. So this is the elimination round. Second round is another interview round, okay, on December 16. This was another DSA round where I was given a problem based on map hash table. It was easy level question. I solved it without much trouble. After clearing this, I received a call scheduling my third round on the same day. The third round on the December 16, the system design question. The system design round will be there. Total 3 interviews they mention. The technical interview 1, technical interview 2, technical interview 3. Technical interview first is DSA, technical interview second is DSA, third is system design round, and all the rounds are elimination round. Design a book store system where multiple book exist and you need to return the count of particular word appearing in specific book. I had to define the class, object, method I would use. It is object oriented programming. I structured my solution well and interviewer seemed impressed. After this we discussed my project where I explained my contribution, problem solving approach and impact. This round went smoothly and I was soon notified about the final round. Here there are 4 rounds, okay. Here the 4 rounds, but in this Amazon SD1 hiring process they mention the 3 rounds of interviews are there, okay. The 3 rounds of technical interview, after that offer will be there. If they take the 4 round, totally depends on them. The interviewer first ask about work at my company, diving deep into tech stack, architecture and design choice. This is asked to experienced candidate as well. After 40 minutes of discussion, he had still time left, so we moved to DSA problem. The question was medium sliding window problem, okay. After this round, I did not receive any further communication. However, the experience was amazing. The interviewers were highly knowledgeable. If you preparing for Amazon, make sure to practice graph, map, sliding window, system design fundamental. Also be ready to explain your work in depth because they go deep in your past project, okay. So if you are preparing for the technical interview guys, data structures and algorithm should be very important, okay. And the main thing is your projects, okay. They will definitely ask your project. If you done any of the internship, they will also check the internships related knowledge or certification related question. So be ready with the data structure. You can practice on any of the platform, HackerRank, HackerEarth, okay, LeetCode, CodeChef. So this is very important. There are multiple interview experience present on the different website. I am giving all the links, it's in the description. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.